He's eating though, you know?
Yep.
You could come right down here, Lauren. I don't think it bothers him one bit. I think he's a goofball. Does it look like he has little pin feathers like he's young?
You're right there, Amy.
I know I'm videotaping him.
He has to eat like sideways.
Uh-huh.
I asked him if it was somebody's pet.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think he's got a growth on his beak.
How do you have a lizard in his hand?
Uh-huh.
No.
Looks like he's been eating pretty good though, but he's not getting the fresh food. He's getting that other stuff.
Maybe because it's like half split. You know, he's finding pieces
Yeah, maybe.